Today we're getting down to Streatham Space Project to deliver our music production workshop, and we've also got a stand where we're like doing recruitment for raw material music and media, and the project's coming up in January 2024. So yeah, man, this is the behind the scenes. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Unpacked to the back, and we're going to be on main stage today. So yeah, man, share space, this is what's happening here. This guy's sick. Crazy. Let's go again. I like that you guys come back to back. Imagine you was to come back in here and then you come back in again. Do you get me? It's like bar for bar. How did this session go, bro?
Incredible session today. You already know how to run it, you know, same time and setting, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, good session, amazing people, incredible creatives, artists, everything, man. Big shout out to Streatham Space for the venue, letting us host it today. Yeah, super nice session.